Hello everybody, this is Knob-N2MDX, and today we're going to do a little video here on this USB encoder knob to control the Flex 6300. As you can see, it's kind of small, fits right in the palm of my hand, and this thing's cool. It actually comes in two different colors, black and a chrome knob. I just opted out for the black. Now there's really nowhere on the internet that says how to make this thing work. Because when you get the box to this unit, if I can find it, you're going to notice that the name of this thing, the name of this is Amos, I guess, A-I-M-O-S. But if you research it, it doesn't give you really any information. So this knob here could be purchased on Amazon for about 25 bucks. Okay, so what you got to do to get this thing to work, as you see, I got the Flex up and running, and I'll show you how the mouse wheel works. I'll mute this for a sec. So I can control the flexes with the wheel going up and down the bearing. If I want to control the volume, what you would have to do is just mouse over where the volume is for the flex, and you can control that up and down. Because it doesn't have a pointer, of course, but it's cool though. I like it. Makes things easier, especially when you're going up and down with the mouse wheel up and down. I mean, it gets annoying. So now, also what this thing could do is if you hold it down and you adjust it, you can have the volume control of your PC go up and down, depending on how you set it up. So what you had to do to get this thing to work is, first, when you get it, it comes with a USB cord. Okay, you got to open up a notebook page like this right here. Okay, while holding the button in, you want to plug this in here like that. There's a blue light inside here. You see it there. I don't know if you can see that. See that blue light? Once you see that, let go of the button, and the notepad should start populating. And there it goes. Okay. Now you're in the button. So if you want for Windows, it says here short press 1 to enter Windows mode. Right? I don't know if you can see that flashing. There goes the flashing right there. You see it go solid? There it goes. Now we're in Windows mode. Alright? How I have mine set up, as you can see, clockwise, meaning going that way, clockwise, right? Mouse wheel plus. Counterclockwise, mouse wheel not negative. The double press, the mouse double click thing, it doesn't work so great. And then I got the rest set up for volume plus and volume negative, and minus and plus on the volume, and volume mute. So there you go. Now if you want to change any of this stuff, alright, you're going to take the mouse. First you got to click in this notepad, and you're going to come up to it. Let's say you want to change this one here. So after you get up there, tap it down once. Okay. Now you're in that setting for that particular item. Push down once again. Okay. Now these are all the options you could set for the mouse wheel going this way or that way, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of stuff here. Okay, just about, I think it goes up to 160 something. I mean, there's a lot of stuff you could make this little thing do, so it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, every time you get into this menu thing, you gotta wait for this. Otherwise, if you don't want to do it, you'll screw it all up. And if you start clicking on the flex anywhere, it'll make your flex go crazy. So if you're gonna do this, I recommend not having the flex open. Okay, so you see it's selected on 152. It already went to the spot that I have for mouse wheel positive for clockwise. But you could change it to any of these. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Once you select the item, this is very sensitive in here. Go back. Alright, this is back up to the top. And then back down again. Just going through all the stuff that it has. I'm going to click on my mouse wheel positive because that's what I have. So mouse wheel, then go down to back. Okay, so you got, and those are all my settings for the wheel. You can take a look at that. So clockwise, mouse wheel positive, counterclockwise, mouse wheel negative. Double click for press, and then hold down for volume up or down while you're pressing, long press. For mute, and then you want to go default, or you hit save and quit, and you hit save and quit. Okay, it'll say OK. Close out this window. It'll ask you, do you want to see changes? Hit don't save. Unplug the mouse wheel and plug it back in. Click on your, I click on the frame of the, right here. And up. And then down. Like I said, it makes things a little easier. Because when you're using the mouse and you're going up and down with this. Oh, a second. Oh, no, there we go. You're going up and down with this, I don't know, just it's annoying to me. So I wanted something, you know, because the jog wheel on Flex is what, 150 bucks? I mean, you get some presets with it. Yeah, those 3 buttons, which is cool because you go to A, VFO A and VFO B. But for 25 bucks, man, and I'll put the link in the bottom of the video so you can get it. Like I said, you just open up the notepad. Follow the instructions in the video. You can pause it as you go along. That's usually what I do when I find somebody's video. And I hope you like it. You know, like I said, 25 bucks. Get yourself a little VFO wheel. This is N2MDX 7.3.